Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Shri Krishna. So today's topic is about the Rahu in all the houses. Rahu is a Delululu. Delululu, that means the delusional planet or the illusional creating planet. It creates the deception and the illusions in the native. Rahu's nakshatras are three nakshatras, that is Adra, Swati, Shatabhisha. These people are very clever, deceptive in nature, and that's why the god doesn't give the marriage aspect to the Rahu people, to the Rahu nakshatras natives. And when the Rahu is placed in the second, third, fourth, fifth, eighth, and the 12th house, it gives a good image, respectful, glorious fame, positive fame, and the sometimes it gives a marriage also. When the Rahu is placed in the first, sixth, seventh, ninth, 10th, 11th house, it gives a bad image. It gives a defamation, controversial fame, negative fame. Rahu in the first house gives a bad image. Bad image through the self identity, self appearance, through the dishonesty, behavior, scandals, fake spiritual image, manipulation, the flirtatious in nature. That's why it gives a bad image. Second fact, the bad image through the gossips and the spits, the rumors. They create the dramatic stories. They are very good dramatic storyteller. They are rebellious to get the fame, money, and status. Third fact, the addiction to the validation for their own beauty. They are more inclined towards their own beauty, like if they look beautiful or not, if they look smart or not. They have less focus on the exams and the studies. They do not like to study. The intellect part is very, very less. Try to be the goddess and the gods like Diman Rahu, who took nectar during the Samudra Manthan. The fourth fact, multiple relationships, scandal prone, extremely ambitious. These are the people never satisfied with the money. If they are a millionaire, they want to be the billionaire, like that. Infinite kind of a position. The bad image, obsession with the public fame and status and the recognition at any cost, by hook and crook. The sixth fact, the bad image, because of that they doesn't follow any tradition, any particular sector. They have attraction towards modern things rather than the traditional rules and the regulations. And the last one, the bad image because of the proactive behavior and seducing in behavior, the dominant power, and they create the controversy wherever they go. So only the moon and the sun nakshatras have the power to control their illusion, their desires, their confusion, or the unconventional path. That is a moon nakshatra Rohini, which is my nakshatra, and the other the sun nakshatras, that is a Kritika, Uttar Falguni, and Uttar Ashada nakshatras. So these four nakshatra have the power to control their obsession, their illusions, or the psycho.